How to transfer money from Chime to Cash App. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video by App Hacks, I will teach you guys how you can transfer money from Chime to Cash App. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step that we'll need to do is we'll need to link our Chime to Cash App. After you've done that, it's really easy to load up your money from Chime to Cash App. So open up your Cash App first. Then tap on the bottom left corner on the home page. After you do that, scroll down until you find an option that says linked accounts. Tap on linked accounts. After you do that, you will be able to simply link your debit card. So you'll need to use your Chime debit card here. So simply type in your debit card number. You can add a bank using your debit card as it says right here. Type in the number and tap on next, and you'll have added your Chime to your Cash App. And after you've done that, you're basically good to go. Now you can transfer money from Chime to Cash App. And it's that simple guys, and that is all for today's video. Thanks for watching, stay tuned for more, and bye bye.